Let's admit it, the Supermoto movement doesn't have the biggest following today, so a custom build with extensive modifications is the preferred way to join this class. Still, we'd like to mention manufacturers who produce factory Supermotos. Let's get technical. Stark Future SM. For the past 5 years, the Spain-based Stark Future company has been dominating the electric motocross industry with its revolutionary products. One of the latest company developments is the Varg platform, which is used to build bikes of different classes. The latest creation on its basis is an electric supermoto called the Stark SM. The newcomer is well suited for high-speed urban riding with optimized chassis geometry, 17-inch wheels, beefed-up Brembo brakes, and a fully adjustable KYB suspension setup. The latter comprises a 48mm front fork and a rear shock with 11.9 inches of travel. The performance is guaranteed by the tried and tested Varg powertrain. In its standard modification, it pushes out 45 kilowatts, while the Alpha modification bumps the number to 60 kilowatts. Regardless of the motor choice, a built-in 7.2 kilowatt-hour battery will last for about 70 miles in the high-performance cycle, or 110 miles in urban conditions. Y-Volt Surge V. Every time a new model like Surge V is announced, the EV industry gets a proper shakeup, resulting in better products for lower prices. A win-win for consumers if you ask me. One of the best value offerings if we talk about dirt bikes with a 97-volt architecture. The Surge V looks minimalistically stunning while pushing upwards of 35 kilowatts from a mid-drive motor and a 97.2-volt 45-amp-hour battery pack. With a weight of 204 pounds, this two-wheeler can cover up to 93 miles in the least demanding mode, while sprints to the top speed of 68 miles per hour would definitely deplete the battery faster. Despite being available with optional Supermoto wheels, the Surge V is the true off-road beast with 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, a long travel front suspension, adjustable rear shocks, and adaptive LED lights. DAB Motorcycles 1. The subset 10K market segment is getting crowded these days, with many players trying to get a part of the action. This also applies to boutique manufacturers like DAB Motorcycles, even if it requires to tone down their flagship product. The one motorcycle inherits the design of its sibling but loses such premium materials as carbon fiber and Alcantara. Still a stunner in terms of design, it brings 125cc performance while keeping the weight under 320 pounds. The mid-mounted motor peaks at 22.8 horsepower, enabling a 75 mph top speed. The range estimation is 90 miles. Well suited for urban commuting, it gets decent K-Alba suspension and an adjustable seat height to cater to a wider audience of riders. Solar Eclipse Stealth Edition. Light, powerful, and versatile, this is what the new Stealth Edition of the Solar E-Eclipse motorcycle is all about. Identical to its predecessor, the newcomer is based on a carbon fiber frame that endures an ultra-low weight of just 130 pounds. With such weight figures, the belt-driven powertrain feels especially nimble. It peaks at 15 kilowatts, bringing 45-degree hill climbing abilities and a 67 mph top speed. A fully charged 72-volt 45-amp-hour battery pack could keep the good times going for approximately 60 miles. The fully adjustable suspension ensures unmatched versatility, while optional carbon fiber Supermoto wheels could turn into an asphalt-conquering machine. Speaking of options, you can further enhance your experience with 2 cargo boxes with a combined capacity of 46 liters. Zero Motorcycles FXE. With little to no visual upgrades for the current model year, the FXE still remains one of the best offerings in the class. Boasting Zero's air-cooled powertrain, this model has 34 kilowatts and 78 pound-feet of torque at its disposal. As a result, a clutchless direct drive transmission lets you travel at speeds reaching 85 miles per hour. Considering the curb weight of 308 pounds, it offers great maneuverability and a carrying capacity of 321 pounds. The standard 7.2 kilowatt-hour battery offers 105 miles of urban and 59 miles of highway riding. Moreover, it supports fast charging, getting you back on the road in as little as 2 hours. Other standard components include front and rear LED lights, a 5-inch color screen, and a smartphone control dashboard. Tarform Vera. The second model from this Brooklyn-based manufacturer will commence sales this year. Boasting the brand's familiar design cues, the compact Vera has a streamlined silhouette, a 31-inch seat height, a 56-inch wheelbase, and Supermoto aesthetics with a black-on-black color scheme. With a weight of 368 pounds, the 44-kilowatt air-cooled e-motor feels especially nimble. It's hooked to a belt drive that operates at speeds reaching 85 miles per hour. With peak torque rated at 120 pound-feet, the Vera e-motorcycle needs just 3.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The frame-mounted 8.2 kilowatt-hour battery lasts a maximum of 100 miles. However, with the support of an L2 charger, about 2 hours are needed to get back to 100%. Among other features, we'd like to highlight regenerative braking, Brembo brakes, 4G connectivity, Pirelli Diablo Rosso tires, premium suspension components, and a 3.4-inch display. Tye Moto 5000. This Asian manufacturer has recently started selling the factory Supermoto version of their newest dirt bike. Owing to its aluminum frame, the bike tips the scales at 238 pounds with an installed battery pack. The latter is a 72-volt, 50 amp-hour unit capable of 90 miles of autonomy. When working in tandem with a mid-mounted 5-kilowatt electric motor, a top speed of 60 miles per hour can be achieved. The list of other noteworthy components includes a hydraulic shock absorber and an inverted suspension fork, 17-inch spoked wheels with Supermoto tires, hydraulic disc brakes, full LED lights, and an LCD control display. Land Moto District and Super District. The District is currently offered in the street and scrambler guises. Both versions are equipped with a smart power management system that lets you adjust the power output from 750 watts to 17 kilowatts. The highest power setting unblocks a 70 mile per hour speed. Both bikes come with a modular battery system with hot swapping capabilities. The battery capacities range from 1.8 to 5.5 kilowatt hours, offering from 25 to 80 miles of riding. Land District bikes are suspended by Fox Racing shocks with 4 inches of travel in the rear. The front suspension is represented by a 48mm inverted fork with 4.72 inches of travel. Land Moto has recently announced a limited edition Super District bike that sports the largest battery setup, a blacked-out design with cyan decals and white logos, Michelin Pilot Street 2 tires, protective hand and fork guards, and a special WTF performance mode that unlocks 254 pound-feet of peak torque. Our team is working hard on bringing the latest and greatest news from the world of electric two-wheelers. If you'd like to support our efforts, please subscribe for further updates and feel free to share our work with your friends or request new product reviews in the comments section below. Thanks once again, and till next time.